This is how it's meant to be. Take it easy, don't rush. Feel the calm, feel the hush. Every moment passing by, like a dream you can't deny. Paradise, slow motion, floating like the ocean. Let the rhythm guide with the rising tide. Paradise, slow motion, feel the pure emotion. Let your worries fade in the light and shade. Steel drums whisper in the breeze, carrying that melody. Bassline deep and rolling low, like a place you always know. Nothing here to complicate. No more pressure, no more weight. Just the rhythm, just the sound. Peace is finally found. Time dissolves into the air. No more burdens left to bear. In this moment we can see life is simple, wild and free. Slow motion. Slow motion. Feel the calm, feel the rush. Slow motion, like a dream you can't deny.
Yeah, listen close. Waves don't lie. Waves rolling, tell the truth. Every feeling breaking through. No more hiding, no disguise. See it clear in ocean eyes. Sunlight dancing on the sea. Feels like it's calling me. Every step I take is right, guided by the golden light. Hear the sound, feel the flow. There's a truth you always know. In the tide, in the sky, nothing here can tell a lie. Waves don't lie, let it ride. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Waves don't lie, no disguise. See the truth in open sky. Waves don't lie, take it slow. Let the real emotion show. Waves don't lie, set you free. Be exactly who you be. Steel drums singing in the breeze, carrying that honesty. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, cuts through everything between. Bassline deep just like the sea, holding raw reality. Every note just speaks to you. Simple, honest, pure and true. Let it wash away the fade. Every wall begins to break. In this rhythm you will find truth was always in just feels so right.
No more words we need to say. Let the music lead the way.
In this moment we align, your heart beating next to mine. Feel the vibe, feel the tone. You're the place I call my home. Every beat, every sound lifts my feet off the ground.
Reese connection, pure reflection.
Feel the love we share, floating in the air.
Island breeze connection, no direction.
Just you next to me, that's where I wanna be.
Ocean singing soft and low.
Moving with the afterglow. Guitar chords just set the mood. Everything feels understood.
Baseline deep like endless sea.
Pulling you right into me. In this rhythm we can stay. Let the world just fade away. Time stands still when you're near. Every moment crystal clear. In this love we finally see what it means to truly be.
Island breeze connection, pure reflection.
Feel the love we share, floating in the air.
Island breeze connection, no direction.
Just you next to me, that's where I wanna be. That's where I wanna be. Yeah, listen close. Waves don't lie. Waves rolling, tell the truth. Every feeling breaking through. No more hiding, no disguise. See it clear in ocean eyes. Sunlight dancing on the sea. Feels like it's calling me. Every step I take is right. Guided by the golden light. Hear the sound, feel the flow. There's a truth you always know. In the tide, in the sky. Nothing here can tell a lie. Waves don't lie, let it ride. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Waves don't lie, no disguise. See the truth in open skies. Waves don't lie, take it slow. Let the real emotion show. Waves don't lie, set you free. Be exactly who you be. Steel drums singing in the breeze, carrying that honesty. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, cuts through everything between. Bassline deep just like the sea, holding raw reality. Every note just speaks to you. Simple, honest, pure and true. Let it wash away the fade. Every wall begins to break. In this find truth was always in your mind.
Slow tide, yeah. Reflection, quiet waves upon the shore teach me what I'm looking for. In the silence I can hear everything becomes so clear. Sky reflecting in the sea like a mirror back at me. Every thought begins to slow, letting deeper feelings grow. Take a breath, let it be. There's no need to overthink. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Calm tide reflections, healing all directions. Let the rhythm guide like a gentle tide. Calm tide reflections, pure connections. Feel it deep inside, let your spirit glide. Soft guitar just paints the air, simple notes without a care. Bassline steady, low and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every moment feels so real, every breath begins to heal. Island time is all I need, set my soul at ease. Let the past just fade away, live within the now today. In this flow we understand, life is more than we had planned. Slow tide, let it ride. Calm tide reflections, healing all directions. Let the rhythm guide like a gentle tide. Calm tide reflections, pure connections. Feel
pulsing through your chest, bringing out your very best. Nothing else you gotta prove, just relax and feel the groove. We don't need no other place, time slows down at this pace. In this vibe we finally see, life is how it's meant to be. Ride the island wave, let your spirit rave. Feel the sunshine bright, from the day to night. Ride the island wave, let your soul be brave. Move it nice and free, in this energy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ride the island wave, let your spirit rave. Feel the sunshine bright, from the day to night. Ride the island wave, let your soul be brave. Move it nice and free, in this energy. Yeah. Gather round. Beachside vibe runs around. The vibe is right. Laughing in the fading light. Ocean breeze, the music loud. Good energy inside the crowd. Sun goes down, but we don't stop. Feel the rhythm as it drops. Every smile, every move, locked into that island groove. Hands up high, feel the beat. Sand beneath your dancing feet. Let it go, feel the sound. Good vibes going all around. Beachside groove session, pure connection. Feel the rhythm tight through the island night. Beachside groove session, no regression. Let the music play till the break of day. Steel drums lighting up the scene, adding colors in between. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, moving through the night so smooth. Bassline heavy but relaxed, keeping every moment tact. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. Under stars we come alive, in this groove we all survive. Every heartbeat feels so true, sharing this with me and you. across my face. Time just slows in this space. No more noise, no more rush. Just this calm, just this hush. Let it drip, let it flow. There's no place we gotta go. Feel the rhythm, take it slow. Let the island take control. Golden hour drift feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drift, every little shift moves the soul so free. Just you and me. Footprints fading in the sand, moments slipping through our hands, but the feeling always stays, like the warmth of island days. Bassline rolling soft and deep, like a promise we can keep. Everything just feels aligned, peace within the mind. Hold this vibe, don't let go. This is all we need to know. In this light we finally see, life is how it's meant to be. Golden hour drift feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drift, every little shift moves the soul so free. Just you and me. Golden hour drift, drifting slow. Golden hour, golden hour.
Far away where sky meets sea, there's a place that sets me free. Silent waves and open air, peace is flowing everywhere. No more noise inside my head. All the heavy thoughts have fled. Just the sound of ocean tide, breathing slow and deep inside. Let it go, let it fade. Every worry slowly break. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Blue horizon calm, like a healing balm. Let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. Blue horizon this stillness you can see what it means to be free. Time dissolves, no control, just the music, just the soul. In this space we understand life is more than we had planned.
Soft sand, scene. Baseline, deep like ocean floor, pulling us to want it more. Footsteps dancing in the sand, moving close, hand in hand. Island night, pure delight. Hold this moment tight. Time don't matter anymore. Lost in waves upon the shore. Hearts align without a sound. In this rhythm we are found. Slow, midnight glow. Slow, midnight island glow. Moving nice and slow. Let the music play till the break of day. Midnight island glow. Let your feelings show. Under moonlight sky, see it in your eyes. Slow motion. Everything just moving slow. Golden light begins to glow. Ocean breathing in and out. Silence louder than the crowd. Footsteps soft along the sand. No more need to understand. Let it flow, let it be. This is how it's meant to be. Take it easy, don't rush. Feel the calm, feel the hush. Every moment passing by, like a dream you can't deny. Paradise, slow motion, floating like the ocean. Let the rhythm guide with the rising tide. Paradise, slow motion, feel the pure emotion. Let your worries fade in the light and shade. Steel drum whisper in the breeze, carrying that melody. Bassline deep and rolling low, like a place you always know. Nothing here to complicate. No more pressure, no more weight. Just the rhythm, just the sound. Peace is finally found. Time absorbs into the air. No more burdens left to bear. In this moment we can see life is simple, wild and free.
pure emotion. Let your worries fade in the light and shade. Slow motion, motion, paradise.
Slow time, yeah. Reflection, quiet waves upon the shore teach me what I'm looking for. In the silence I can hear everything becomes so clear. Sky reflecting in the sea like a mirror back at me. Every thought begins to slow, letting deeper feelings grow. Take a breath, let it be. There's no need to overthink. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Peace within your mind. Calm tide, reflections, healing all directions. Let the rhythm guide like a gentle tide. Calm tide, reflections, pure connections. Feel it deep inside. Let your spirit glide.
of this place. Ocean breeze therapy, set your spirit free, let the rhythm ride like the rising tide. Ocean breeze therapy, where you're meant to be, let the music heal, feel what you should feel. Palm trees sway in harmony, singing soft in melody. Simple life, no need for more, just the waves along the shore. Deep bass moving nice and low, like the tide it comes and goes. Heartbeat syncing with the sound, pieces everywhere around. Let it wash away the pain, like a soft and summer rain. In this moment you can see, this is where you're meant to be. Ocean air, take me there. I can come, let the rhythm ride like the rising tide. Ocean breeze therapy, where you're meant to be, let the music heal, feel what you should feel. Feel what you should feel. Feel what you should feel. Let the music heal, feel what you should feel. Ocean
Yeah, feel that heartbeat. Heartbeat syncing with the bass. Feel the rhythm in this place. Every step and every move, locked into that island groove. Sun above, no clouds in sight. Everything just feels so right. Let it take control of you. Nothing else you gotta do. Feel it rise, feel it fall. Let the rhythm take it all. No more thinking, just the vibe. Let your body come alive. And heartbeat flow. Let it take you slow. Feel it in your chest. This is where you rest. Island heartbeat flow. Let your spirit glow. Move it side to side with the rolling tide. Guitar skank so crisp and clean, dancing through the sunny scene. Steel drums add a little spark, lighten up inside your heart. Bassline bouncing nice and round, spreading love without a sound. Every moment feels so free, that's the island energy. No beginning, no end, just the rhythm we depend. In this groove we understand, life is better unplanned. Island heartbeat flow, let it take you slow. Feel it in your chest, this is where you rest. Island heartbeat flow, let your spirit glow. Move it side to side with the rolling tide.
our skank so crisp and clean, living out a simple dream. Baseline bouncing nice and round, heartbeat in the island sound. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to set us free. Dance along the shoreline breeze, life is flowing with such ease. In this moment we can see, this is how it's meant to be. Escape, feel the wave. Hey. Oh, island rhythm, escape. Let your worries all fade. Feel the sunshine bright from the day to night. Island rhythm, escape. Every move, every shake. Let the good vibes stay. Never drift away. Escape. Feel the wave. Oh. Escape. Feel the wave. Oh. Afternoon. Sun is high, moving slow, shadows stretching down below. No agenda, nowhere to be, just the shade and the sea. Gentle waves, steady sound, peace is all that's around. Every second drifting by, like a cloud across the sky. Take it easy, take your time, life is better when it's light. Let it flow, let it slide, no more need to rush the tide. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune. Let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon. Feel the calm inside, with the turning tide. It's our playing soft and low, like a story you already know. Baseline barely moving through, still it pulls you nice and true. Nothing loud, nothing fast, just a moment made to last. In this space we understand, life is simple as the sand. Let it fade, let it be, flowing like the open sea. In this calm you will find peace within your mind. Lazy island afternoon, soft